Crack-a-lack, my dudes, me Rubik, and today we're doing a Rubik's Cube video. Now, I know, I have not posted a Rubik's Cube video in a long while meaning a while. I'm not even exactly sure. But it's been a bit, and I'm super sorry, guys. I was in DC from well, I kind of have an excuse. I was in DC for a bit, but I did come back, and I could have done it Sunday, and I could have done it yesterday, but on Sunday I was super tired, and yesterday I just forgot, so I'm sorry I forgot, guys. But since it was a long break, I don't feel like it was as bad as if I had actually just forgotten it. So, we're getting right back into this, and I have a lot of cubes down here. I might solve the 5x5. I got the 4x4, Scube, 2x2, Pyraminx, and we're just gonna go get solving. I'm just really sorry about the break, so I decided I'm just gonna do a lot. Now I know I said that in my most recent one, I think it was day 29, that I would film it over the break, over the thing, but I was tired and I forgot. I mean, I could have, but I did not remember, and I was super tired. So, sorry about that. It was a really fun trip, though. It did stop, right? Oof, did you see the end? I don't think you could see the cube, sorry about that. At the end, it had a corner twisted like this, so I had to fix that, but instead of turning it the right way, like you're supposed to, I decided, I'm gonna turn it this way. Whoops, that's not right. Now I gotta turn the corner again. Now it's right. And also, I had to turn where I was like this, and I missed it a bunch of times. So, kind of frustrating, not terrible. Well, actually, it's not terrible. No, 41. 41. Oh, that's kind of frustrating. All right, let's move on. Just I'm not frustrated anymore. Scube. I'm sorry it's a different location, but right now my mom wants the computer downstairs, so it's being downstairs. If you thought I was old enough to live here, and I didn't have my mom here, then you're mistaken. I am not that old. I'm sitting on these pillows now, because that's the best solution I have at the moment. Where's the Scube? There's the Scube. I have no times on this for the Scube. Fresh start. Where I can do badly once more. Scube is a lot like Pyraminx, which is kind of weird. It's like Pyraminx. See here, Pyraminx turns at the corners. Except Pyraminx has 4 corners and Scube has 6. I did so good. I'm kidding, I did badly. I'm going to stop this. I've been going for 7 minutes, and I hope that when I stop this works, because if you've seen my other ones, I've had problems with losing solves. So if this is in the video, that is very good. If it's not in the video, who am I talking to? Alright, saving it worked, so that's good. We're going to do some more Scube. If you haven't noticed yet, which you probably haven't since I haven't really mentioned it that much. I'm not sure if I showed these, because I did a couple takes of the first shot, but I have a lot of cubes here. You probably saw them. Yeah, I probably saw them. But in just case. So, I'm going to be doing a pretty long video today. I probably won't solve the 5x5. But I'm going to be doing a pretty long video. Just to make it up to you guys. I probably said that already, but in case you forgot. Alright, so I did something kind of weird at the beginning that wasn't exactly perfectly the beginner's method, but it kind of worked out. I still somewhere something went wrong, but better than a lot of solve at least. Yeah. Yeah. 21. That's really good. Sorry, my phone's ringing. Give me a second. You know what? I'm keeping that beginning part in there because I can zoom in on my face and that would be funny. Alright, my mom called me. Sorry about that. So we're going to do one more scoop solve. I do not think we'll beat 21 though. That was really good. Things just kind of fell into place and I did some stuff. I'm starting to learn today, especially with that, like, you don't have to follow the beginner's method perfectly with scoop. Like, you can do other stuff that will help you. 39. Alright, so that's a really, really good best. 21 is really good for me. It sucks for everyone else, but it's good for me. Alright. Why? I fear this key. It's so bad. Do you hear this? I want you guys to see me solve it, which I think you have, but I'm so bad at it. Maybe later, and probably not this one, since this one it's a fine cube. Well, not really. It doesn't sound bad, and it doesn't turn well, but it does not corner cut at all. Here, I'll show you. See? Everything's flat. Turns fine. Turn it even the slightest amount. Like, oh, it actually does corner cut. But like, turn it like that. Oh God! Why would you do this? Please help me! Look at that. Look at what I can do. Super easy. Not good. Anyway, I don't even know what I'm talking about right now. Okay. Pyraminx. We're doing Pyraminx. That's nice cube stuff. I might even later, like, at another time, do more solves today. Whoa, that's pretty crazy if you ask me. If you ever wonder, I don't know if I've explained this, probably have, but if you ever wonder why I throw my Pyraminxes up in the sky whenever I solve them, it's because I turn the tips of them, like right here, see? But they don't really change anything, so I'll flip it again and turn them again, like to see if I turn anything back. So I do it, just so it's random which ones are flipped. Okay, we're not going to talk about that ever. All right, sound good? 14, not bad. Not bad at all. What's wrong with you? Oh my gosh. That is so not fair. You know what? No. I'm going to go back and look where I first touched it. I just did it again for some reason because I'm stupid. And then I'm going to redo that time and get it as close as I possibly can, alright? Because that is not at all fair. So I'm going to go back and look. You guys can scroll through too, or I can just do slow motion, which I probably will. And you guys can, I'm going to go see what the actual time is supposed to be. Alright, so the actual time was 9:13. The closest I could get was 9:31, so we're just sticking with that since it's only like 20 milliseconds away, which is definitely my best Rubik's time. Not ever, but on this thing, it definitely is. So that's pretty good. I'm probably going to finish up soon because I know I said it would be a long one, but suddenly the tiredness just went over me and I had to delete a bunch of stuff because my iPad was like, you don't have storage space. And I was like, yeah, okay, whatever, stupid thing. So yeah, that's my mom coming home. So I'm going to try and get one solve in before she walks in the door. Alright, that's it. That's the solve. Thanks for watching, guys. For now, I might come back later. I'm not sure. Bye.